Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So now I am going to talk about one of the recent news by Google and recent announcement by Google. So it's a good news. So Google announced that the Google Bard is available for everyone, and now I am going to tell you how you will use, how you will sign up, how you will log in, and how to use all these points I'll be talking about. So let's go ahead and start the steps which I'll be explaining bit by bit. So this is the one of the URL which I'll provide you in my description box. All these steps like how and what and how to register, how to sign up, every steps is mentioned over here. So as you can see, this is the login detail steps and the registration sign up details steps, and all these details information is here, and also how to use. This is one of the good things like how to use Google Bard AI chatbot. To these all steps is mentioned. So then you just follow the process, then you can able to start using the Google Cloud Bard AI and how it works, and some features, AI features, and all. Just go through the details, and you can able to know a little bit more about the Google Bard AI. So now this is the login. Let me check the login. So here you can see I have already signed up, so that's why already I just log in. But if you are not sign up, so you just sign up, put the details, and then you can start. So for example, let me show you one demo. So I'll write help me to write how I can create multiple GCS bucket with a Terraform code. So this is the simple one, like I just asking. So just you can also ask like that, whatever you want to know. So here you can see the result. You see this is the well and very the clear how you will write the Terraform code and how you will execute all these steps mentioned, like so you can use this is the piece of code to use to create multiple bucket. So can the bucket 1 and bucket 2. So this is my simple help. Just ask to Bard AI, and here you can see the result, right? So this is one of the awesome and ultimate, and it's a super cool and awesome, which will help us to boost our improve our productivity of work and anything. So simply I'll ask to help write email, help to write a leave email for my sister marriage. So here you go and help us to write an email. Here you can see this is the email template which you can use to send that email which you are looking for. So here I explain like the usage of how you will use Bard AI and all these things, and whatever you have doubt, and I mean whatever you want to take help from Google Bard AI, every kind of solution is available, and you will be getting the solution. For example, let me write help to write one Python code to load data from GCS to BigQuery. BigQuery. So here you go and you can use the Python code. You can see. So this is the this is the good and super and super fast, and this is the perfect code which I can get to upload the data from GCS to BigQuery. So this piece of code you can use to bring the data from GCS and load the data into BigQuery. So I hope this couple of example will be helpful how to use Bard AI, and thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and hope this video will be helpful, and the how to use Google Bard, and stay tuned to get some video like updated video in Google Cloud related video and Google Workspace video or latest update video. So stay tuned to get the updated video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to get more video like this. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel.